Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, I wanted to tell you all about an exciting new opportunity to make money right here on YouTube, okay? If you want to learn how I created a faceless YouTube channel and started making tens of thousands of dollars per month, I invite you to join my community down below. There's really no experience to get started. You don't need to have a big following, and of course, you don't need to show your face. And really anybody can do it. It just takes a little bit of time and effort at the beginning to get started. But don't worry, I walk you through it. So click my link below to start and learn how to create your own faceless YouTube channel. And right now you can get a free trial to join, but it's only available for the first 100 people. And we have a group chat as well that you can join. So I'll leave a link down below. Otherwise, let's get started with the video. This is why I personally think that this could be the end of Uber and Lyft. You want to read this?
Yeah. Tesla teases Robotaxi ride-hailing function in its app.
Yep.
So Elon Musk calls it a combination of Uber and Airbnb.
Yep. Uber and Airbnb. So guys, we have official screenshots of the Tesla app. It's ready to go. Look at this.
Wow.
Can you see that?
Kind of.
Not really.
I can't see what it says on any of those.
The left one says summon. Hold to order.
Oh, okay.
Estimated wait time 3 minutes. But one of the interesting things I noticed is that the passenger can control the temperature of the car.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, so they can adjust how, just off their app, they can control how cool the car is.
Oh, cool.
And I'm assuming you can probably also just control the music too.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can. It actually says it right here on the bottom right one.
Oh, that's cool.
So even those two things alone kind of changed the whole experience, because like I would say probably half the time I get into Ubers, they're like blasting some song that I don't like. I don't know how often you take Ubers, Izzy, but I've been taking a lot lately because just getting around town. And it's like half the time they pick me up and they're just blasting some like song that I'm like, I feel awkward telling them like, hey, can you please turn that down?
Yeah.
Like, I mean, it's not like, it is a fine question, but it's like, I don't want to just be annoying and awkward. Like this guy's driving, I don't know. Anyways.
Yeah. Awkward asking for things in Ubers too.
Yeah, I'm like, and one time I did, because the dude was like blasting this song, and I was like, hey, do you mind turning that down? And he turned down like 2 notches, and it was still like super loud.
Oh. And
then anyways, so yeah, I just think, like I said before, when this, it's coming in on August 8th, which is in 3 months. This is when it will be launching. And like I said before, I'm pretty sure they're going to use drivers at the beginning, because that's how full self-driving works now. It's already really good, but it has to be supervised. And I think, would you rather choose to take and I think a lot of people, hey, do you have the choice to order an Uber? It might be an old janky car that's beat up. Or do you want to order this ride? It's a lot cheaper and it's a Tesla.
Yeah.
I would probably order the Tesla. What about you?
Yeah, same.
So I don't know. That's just my idea of it. And they've been working on this for years, and they're finally like saying that it's ready. So it's not like, because in the past, Elon said, oh yeah, it's going to come out in, this 5 years, whatever. Elon Musk, he announced it. Hey, it's coming out in 3 months. It's ready. He's sharing screenshots. Like, I'm pretty sure he's not messing around.
Yeah.
But the question is, when are they going to actually do no drivers? Because that's the end goal, right?
Yeah.
Anyways, that's just why I think eventually, like, just keep in mind, even if it isn't like extremely successful, it's still gonna take, let's say like it even takes away like 10 to 20% of the market share from Uber and Lyft. That's already gonna make, like, you think it's bad pay now driving for Uber. Think about it if there's just like 20% less rides available, and you can't work for Uber and for Tesla. So now you're going to be making even less money. You're going to be waiting around even more. And so drivers
Yeah.
are going to start quitting left and right. And Uber stock is probably going to start falling. I'm just, because their earnings are going to go down. This is just stuff that I'm thinking of, but I could be wrong.